Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You power down the watch and confirm the exact model so you order the right parts. This saves time. Once done, put on an ESD strap and secure a clean mat. Static kills tiny components. Start by removing the band, then soften adhesive with gentle heat. Use a spudger to lift the back carefully. Keep screws organized in labeled trays. You need steady lighting and a magnifier to spot hidden clips. These first moves let you access internals without causing damage. You now diagnose systematically. Check connectors, battery voltage, and visible corrosion so you know what's faulty. Use a multimeter to read voltages. If a cell shows under nominal voltage, replace it. Once identified, desolder or unclip with appropriate heat and steady hands. Too much heat damages flex cables. Install the new battery or display, making sure connectors are fully seated and flat. Use small clamps or tape while you test. After testing, tidy wires and prepare to close in the next step. You reassemble by aligning the case and applying new adhesive or the original gasket so water resistance is preserved. Once done, torque screws evenly and avoid over-tightening. Uneven pressure warps screens. Power on and run a full test. Touchscreen, sensors, Bluetooth, and charging. If something fails, make sure to recheck connector seating and continuity. Sometimes a hairline lifted pin is the culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, swap components back one at a time to isolate the fault before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.